Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can enable like the two-step authentication on the store. So let me go on the Shopify. Look at this, the URL, the partners.shopify.com. So let me visit here, click on the login. So there is only one organization, the partner organization that I have created the last video. Okay, you can create a multiple partner organization as you want. So let me click here, and now I'm on the store, on the partners. I'm on the partner dashboard actually. So let me go on the store. So I can create the store, but I will not create the store now. Let me show you how you can enable a two-step authentication. So let me go on the look at this here and click on the general. Okay, so here on the security, and then you can enable this from here, but I have to verify the email actually. So 1 second, let me verify it front of it. Okay, so it's verified now. Now let me go and reload it here. Okay, so as you can see here, two-step authentication. So you can add also the secondary email, but this is totally up to you, so you can do that. Let me click here. So first of all you have to download the apps, two authentication app on your phone. Okay, now click here. You have to put your password here. Look at this, you have to put your store password that you have put it on when you have created the account. So let me click and go. Okay, now you have to download this authenticator app, and then you will get the code on there. So let me just I will show you how you can do that. I will record the video. Okay, let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so the code will be 432 801. Okay, and look at this, this is has been done. Now you can download these are key. You can save those are key, and actually these are the important actually, so you can save this thing actually. You can download, you can copy those up from here. Let me copy, and if I reload it here, look at this, the authentication method has been activated. You can add more from here. So you can add more from here. You can explore this apart actually. Okay, so yeah, these are the thing you can add your two authentication method system from your partner account. Thank you. See you on the next video.